Welcome to Swipe Facts Ultimate Fact Battle between animals, space, and nature. I'll give you 25 facts. Some are 100% true, others are fake. Your job is to spot the fake ones before I reveal the answer. Round 1. The category is animals. Question 1. True or false? Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. The correct answer is true. Question 2. True or false? A shrimp's heart is located in its head. The correct answer is true. Question 3. True or false? A group of owls is called a parliament. The correct answer is true. Question 4. True or false? Penguins can fly for short distances. The correct answer is false. Penguins cannot fly for short distances. Question 5. True or false? Giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans. The correct answer is true. Question 6. True or false? A crocodile can stick out its tongue. The correct answer is false. A crocodile cannot stick out its tongue. Question 7. True or false? Koalas have fingerprints almost identical to humans. The correct answer is true. Question 8. True or false? Elephants cannot jump. The correct answer is true. Question 9. True or false? Cows sleep standing up all night long. The correct answer is false. Question 10. True or false? A blue whale's tongue weighs as much as an elephant. The correct answer is true. While you're watching, do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Now, let's move on to round 2, the space facts category. This round will be 7 questions. Question 11. True or false? One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Venus. The correct answer is true. Did you know this fact? Let us know in the comments section. Question 12. True or false? Saturn could float in water because it is less dense than water. The correct answer is true. Question 13. True or false? The Great Wall of China is visible from the moon. The correct answer is false. It is not visible from the moon. Question 14. True or false? Neutron stars can spin 600 times per second. The correct answer is true. Did you get this one right? Question 15. True or false? The sun is blue in color but looks yellow because of the Earth's atmosphere. The correct answer is false. The sun is not blue in color. Question 16. True or false? Mercury is the hottest planet. The correct answer is false. Question 17. True or false? Pluto is a dwarf planet. The correct answer is true. This is the end of round 2. Remember to leave a comment with your scores. Let's move on to the final round. In this round, there will be 7 questions. Question 18. True or false? Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. The correct answer is true. This fact surprised me the most. Question 19. True or false? All deserts are hot. Correct answer is false. Antarctica is a cold desert. Did you know Antarctica is a desert? Question 20. Bamboo can grow up to 90 centimeters in a single day. The correct answer is true. Question 21. True or false? Forests can make rain. The correct answer is true. Question 22. Mount Everest is still growing. The correct answer is true. Remember to check out our other videos to explain these facts. Question 23. True or false? Snow can be pink. The correct answer is true. Question 24. True or false? Trees causes poor water quality. The correct answer is false. Last question. True or false? Forests are incredibly good at storing carbon. The correct answer is true. Let us know in the comments section how many did you get right, and which fact surprised you the most. Please also remember to like and subscribe to our Swipe Facts channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.